Hey guys, it's Jay Gustav with another video. My voice has dropped since the last one. Wow. Hi, it's Jay Gustav again with another video. So today's video is kind of different to my usual brand of video because it's an unboxing video brought to you by a brand called Body and Fit. Now, they've recently sent me 2 packages and it's their gym bundles. Now, these gym bundles are valued at £75 each. We're going to open them together. We're going to find out what's in them. We're going to have a look. We're going to try things. We're going to review things. And we're going to have some fun today. So, let's start by examining the packaging first of all. 2 of these arrived at my office today. So 2 massive boxes. Nothing beats a fit body. They're absolutely correct. Nothing will beat a fit body. The whole thing was wrapped up, you know, really nice packaging. They did somehow manage to spell my name wrong, but I can forgive a small multitude of sins. So we'll get our trusty scissors and we'll open this bad boy up. We'll just take a moment because I am a little bit hopeless. That's why I need a boyfriend. Anyway, so here is the magic box. So in this box, we've got the receipt there for you with the courtesy note that the brand sent me saying thank you. So this is the first item. We have some Smart protein chips in paprika flavour and another bag in barbecue flavour. Now, I'm not going to eat these for you on camera right now, but there was a third bag, which was a sweet chilli flavour bag. And one of my co-workers, Stefan, he had a little look at them and he was like, I need to eat these. So I let him try them. And in Stefan's words, he would buy them if he saw them in Tesco. They're fulfilling. He thought they were made from lentils and there was a strong kick to them. So thank you very much, Stefan, for your candid feedback about the sweet chilli ones. Next item is, it looks like some sort of protein shakes. They're called Smart Protein, according to the label on them. There's 6 of them in the packet. It looks like there's different flavours. It looks like we've got some sort of like toffee flavour, chocolate flavour, maybe some sort of banana flavour. Let's open them up and have a look anyway. Let's have a little look. What we got here? We've got a banana. We've got a vanilla. We got a chocolate, a coffee. Wow, a coffee arabica. I don't know how you say that actually. We've got a raspberry and a cappuccino. These are going to be amazing, I think. It's looking like the coffee ones have only 109 calories in them. So that is going to be really, really good. I mean, at the moment, I'm having iced coffee every morning from Dunkin' Donuts. So it'd be really good to swap that out for something a bit more healthy. So it'd be awesome to give those a try. I'm going to start them tomorrow morning. So we'll give those a whirl. Let's have a look at what else we've got in here. Oh, I love these bottles so much. So this appears to be a Cyclone cup. Now, for those of you who don't have a Cyclone cup, I strongly suggest you get one. Cyclone cups, obviously this one has got the Body and Fit logo on it as well, which is always handy. Cyclone cups are fantastic because there's so much space in them. You have 2 parts to them. So you've got, if I can unscrew them without making a mess, I can make a mess. They always smell a bit funny when you open them. So your Cyclone cup, basically, you've got your normal cup there. You've got your shakery bit there. You pop that in there. You pop all your protein powder through that. You pop your lid back on. Tweak it like a Polaroid picture and give that boy a shake. Now, the reason for this bottom chamber, I'm knocking some crisps everywhere as well, do apologise. The reason for the bottom chamber is to store proteins and supplements while you're training. So you'll have your bottom bit full of your protein, you'll fill that with water while you're in the gym, use it as your water bottle, no drama, fantastic. And then when the time comes at the end of your workout and you want your post-workout shake, you'll just dump the contents of your... Why do I do this? You will just dump the contents of your bottom drum into your shaker, and there you have it. You have your protein shake ready to go. So that is awesome, and it's a really nice size as well. So it looks like I'm going to have plenty of, I mean, it's a 500ml jug, so it's really good. I mean, Cyclone cups are always good anyway. So, but these retail for $9.99 each, so it's a proper bargain as well, and it looks like it's really well made. You get a lot of cups that fall apart really quickly, so that's a really good one. Okay, these interested me a lot because these are bars. Now, for those of you who don't know, like, workout bars come in so many different kinds. Like, you've got the really good ones, like, you've got your grenades, you've got your, you know, like, loads of different brands that are really, really good quality, and you've got your really bad ones. Like, I mean, I personally find my protein ones work really well for me, but then you got, like, the Mo Farah ones from B&M, which they're really cheap, and they do have what you need in them, but they're just so full of sugar, preservatives, binders, pardon the pun, things like that, you know, they are just not good for you. So it'd be really interesting to try these out because they are chocolate orange flavour, and for anyone who knows me in real life knows I absolutely love chocolate orange, so I'm looking forward to giving these a go. They've got oats in them, caffeine and dark chocolate. I'm assuming as well from the packaging they're actually suitable for vegans, so that'd be really cool because one of my best friends is a vegan and I love being able to share my snacks with her, so that'd be awesome. And I've just double checked it, yeah, they are vegan, so it'll be awesome to share that with my friend, so that's cool. So there's your bars. Okay, this is what looks like Whey Perfection Taste and Discover Protein Sample. Now, most people have their brands of protein they already like. I'm always open to suggestions because at the moment I'm using Booty Weight Loss Shake Chocolate. It contains 22 grams of protein per serving, which is fantastic. It's also got green tea, which speeds my metabolism, because at the moment I'm trying to shred weight as well. So it'd be really cool to give this one a go. It's raspberry flavour, not too wild on raspberry, but we'll go from there. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. And this has fascinated me since I saw this earlier. So it is a mysterious bag marked body fit size small. So when I first contacted Body and Fit, they asked me what size I was, and I just told them I was a small because I didn't know what they were going to send me. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in this bag because I've been like thinking about it all day. Do you like my shirt, by the way? It's from a brand called Homo London. This is a shameless plug for them because I think they're amazing. So Homo London, I'm going to put a link to their Instagram in the bio. Okay, what are these? Oh, what? Okay, they look like there's some shorts, okay, but they're the ones with like the fake boxes inside. So some training shorts. They are really nice actually. They look really well made as well. They're like that nice like blend of like thick and thin at the same time. Let's give these a try, shall we? And we're back. So I tried them on. They were a really nice fit. As you can see, they're like kind of low rise as well, which is really nice. And they've got that like little fake boxer bit there, which like really finishes off the look. I'm looking forward to training in these. These are going to be awesome. And you only watched that segment to get a look at my belly, didn't you? So let's be fair. Okay, so that's the end of the bag, which is really interesting because this bundle apparently retails for £75. I received 2 of these bundles. I didn't accept any fees for them, and I'm not charging anything for them, so I do need to get that out of the way for like some sort of legal like advertising things. Yeah, no, honestly, like I'm really looking forward to trying all these different products. As part of this as well, because I've been sent a second box, I'm also going to be running a small giveaway over on my Instagram. Now, my Instagram, I'm going to pop the link in the bio. To enter the giveaway, what you need to do is follow me on Instagram, and it's my @ J Stradamus, but instead of having an A in J, it's an X, because I said it when I was young, trans and edgy. Yeah, follow me on Instagram and interact with me on my pictures, like, share, comment, different pictures. You'll be entered into a giveaway. It's doing with a random number generator in collaboration with a couple of other big brands. You'll get a small bundle of workout supplements and a personalised training plan devised by one of my closest friends. So it's going to be awesome. So I'm really looking forward to interacting with you all. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, share this around your friends and family. Just want to say another thank you to Body and Fit for the bundle because it's awesome. I'm really looking forward to like trying it all out. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. Peace out.